In today's tips and tricks, I want to show you one of my favorite ways on how to use the sleek spray. By adding the sleek spray to the water bottle, you're not only getting the benefits of laying down a nice clean base to your client's hair to get the nice, perfect, clean sections and part lines, but you also add to the customer experience with the nice calming fragrance that we put into the bottle. I want to show you how to do it. So first off, you want to add filtered water to the spray bottle. And all you have to do is just use one spray of the sleek spray into the bottle. Put the cap back on, shake it up, make sure it goes through the water bottle, and you're good to go. At the end of the day, you always want to make sure that you drain out any type of water that is kept into this nozzle, because you don't want to reduce any type of chances of mildew. Now it's dry, you're good to go. Do the same thing the next day, or if you're doing this at home, you want to make sure that you could do this once a week. And that's it.